pag-start sa atong pagalingon. So, very good, Ms. Atletico. Let's give him a round of applause. So, how about you, Ms. Gachalian? Anyone that can quote from the spoken word poetry that quote you the most, or that can relate you the most? Please stand up. Oh, thank you, Ms. Gachalian. Ms. Gachalian says that iyang na-relate na mo sa spoken word poetry is katong pumasok sa eskwela, naghahanap ng kasama, feeling close, hi ka dito, hi doon, pero feeling close, nga na daw. So, kita mo tayo siguro na masuway, nga na naka-feel, nga feeling close, pero dito ka ng di ka ng kaila or di ka ng friends, di mo. So, as a students, we need to interact with others. Bisan pa man mo, pili ka kaya nila. Kaya ano, magamit naman ka mga nato sila. Kaya nagminagawa ng contact ka ng interaction para sa kanyang mga challenges. Kita for example, you have a friend na may problema. O di ba, makakabang mo na sila, bisan pa din sila close. Kay bisan pa man bukat na ilang magalingon, o bukat na ilang pamati, makasulti na ta nila, bisan pa kita close, o bisan pa din sila close. Di ba? O, ina na mga estudyante. Baka pag close, magpakain ng close John. Di ba? Am I right? Oh, that's very good. Give Miss Gachalian a round of applause. Miss Bernada, what line or words na naka-call sa inyong attention based on the spoken word poetry? Mother Tony, Miss Bernada, based on Miss Bernada's answer is katong nag-discuss ang maestra na kung saan mo kasabot, di ka kasabot, di masud sa mong utok, kaya ka nagkagawin na nakasgawa sa tanaw, nakakayin ako na nalaglo, o yung may problema sa mga family, kaya dili ka kasabot sa discuss. Feeling ko ba? Feeling, nagkakaroon na siya ka na kinakuan, na nakasabot ka sa discuss sa maestra, pero wala dito. Kung nakafeel ko yung anak, based on my experience, nakafeel ko yung anak, bisan pag tarong ka to, pero di ka sabot sa discuss, kung ano na? Sabay, problema natin yung anak. Ha? Muna akong na-feel. Muna akong na-feel kada adlaw. Feeling lonely, feeling stressed. And despite of that feelings or emotions, we need to cope in order to overcome our challenges and hindi ba yan sa kamati kung makahawa sa test nga ng feelings or makahawa sa feelings nga feeling lonely or feelings tired baron. Kaya more hayahan ka freedom na freedom now. What do you like to do or yung so it is important na trust yourself and be confident. Okay? Am I right? Very good, Miss Granada. Give her a round of applause, please. Students, who can share one line or words that can relate to you the most from the spoken word poetry? How about Mr. Portabilia? One line or words that can relate to the most from the spoken mga katapos nun. Pero despite of that struggles or kanang nagtampo-tampo nga mahatunon, si Mr. Pulabuli ako, hindi agad bumatis na ngayon siya tabang siya classmate ko. Interaction gano'n na, kanang socializing. Kaya ano, need na natin ng socializing, need na ng friends. Para sa kita magpapata ka na sa di ko ano ako di ba? Makatama agad ba? Friends, mga classmates. So, kinala doon, nag-interact with sa na classmate. Okay? Now, very good, Miss Montabilia. Let's give a round of applause, please. Those are great. Answer. Let's give all a round of applause, please. So, the poem shows how students struggles in everyday life. So, kinahanglan, ang atong challenges na is ma-hope na to. So, here, we have different emotions, like pressure, sleepless night. So, despite of that emotions or we feel we need to overcome and face it to reach our dreams and to reach our goals in our life. So, keep believing ourselves and trust yourself and always pray the Lord or God. So now that we've listened to the spoken word poetry, Buhay Estudyante, let's talk more about what it means. So I have 5 questions for you to answer. These questions, all about the poem we just heard earlier. The questions are all about the poem. So nakadawg naman na mo ato no nga poem. So ang spoken word poetry nga poem nga Buhay Estudyante. So some of them are LATS questions. O mo kini gitawag og law of thinking skills. Kasabot pa mo kinahanglan na siya kanang sayon ra ba si ansiran ang LATS questions which will help us recall what we've learned, and some of the questions are HATS, which mean kanang lisod-lisod siya, kinahanglan siya higher kanang thinking skills. So, which will help to think deeper about the message of the poem. So, kinahanglan jud kung naminaw mo nga to, kinahanglan jud i-recall ninyo kung unsa inyo nasabtan. Nagkisinabot ba ta? Okay. So, are you ready? Let's begin. The questions. So, what is the spoken word poetry about? Again, what is the spoken word poetry about? Spoken word poetry about means mystery house. Please answer, please stand up. What is the spoken word poetry about? Okay. Very good, Miss Bonga. Give a round of applause, please. So now, the third question is, what message does it gives about being a student today? What message does it gives about being a student today? Yes, Torama. Please stand up. So, exactly, Miss Torama. Every, uh, every student has difficult challenges, and it is not easy. So, we need to overcome and face the challenges to become stronger, to become independent individual. So, very good, Miss Torama. So, you see, we still that no matter how tired, we need to still stand and fight back for our dreams. So that's right, Miss Toraka. Next question is, how is spoken word for poetry different from written poem? So how is spoken word poetry different from written poem? So, different siya nilang kuha. How is spoken word poetry different from a written poem? Miss Miss Galasio, please stand up. Okay, Miss Delicious, stand up. How is spoken word poetry different from written poem? Correct, Miss Delicious. Let's give a round of applause. Correct that. Correct, Miss Galasio. Correct. Spoken word poetry is we feel the voice, the emotions, the feelings of the spoken word poetry